let's fly to Montana. But of course, Grandma didn't get checked for the rod in her knee. But my bag got checked because I brought my group, and my group got checked. So that's funny. I just took a walk right now, but we're gate 404 and we're group 4. And I want water and food because I'm hungry and barely ate last night. So I think I might get Chick-fil-A and just put the drink in my cup. I got airport Chick-fil-A. I literally held up the line. It was so bad. So embarrassing. And I bonked my head on this thing right here. So bad. But I do have a window seat. Grandma's getting our bags checked out. Oh my goodness, that's so crazy. Also, we got out at D13 and we boarded in D15. Well, we got to check in our bags for free. They're boarding group 2 right now and we board 8. So we're like one of the last ones. It was so embarrassing because I've only flown technically twice before, but I was like, I don't know how old I was, maybe like 13 or something, 14, something like that. And I didn't have to worry about it because I was like a kid. My mom helped me with everything. But this time, I literally walked past our seat and the guy had to get out. I should have went before him. And then I'm holding up the whole line. We're like at the front of the I wanted to say ship right now. Plane. We're literally like at the front, like a couple rows. And then I put my suitcase and my grandma's suitcase up top, and then I go sit in my seat and I bonk my head so hard on the top. It was so embarrassing. And then grandma's like, it's her first time. Yep, if they didn't know that, they definitely could tell. The next stop is Vegas. Right now we're in Phoenix. It's actually so crazy too. If you've never been on a plane, it feels like a ride, like a roller coaster. And my hair is so poofy. There goes our suitcases. Getting checked out. Bag goes under the seat. Next window seat. Oh wow, I'm in the back of the thing now. Because I'm so hungry that my stomach is cramping and I'm hot, so I took off my hoodie. And we're not in the right section. We board in B24 and we're in B21 and B22. My stomach hurts so bad, it's cramping so bad. But yeah, we're about to be the last people boarding for real. Like literally, oh, that's ours. For a little bit. on the floor because we're not by a building. We're literally like, we're not by a building. What the way? There's no way. That'll be so cool. They had us fooled. What the freak? This is crazy. We're looking for our baggage claim to collect our bags. Look at that. Spokane. Our luggage should be over here. Let's go find our luggage. It stopped moving and now it's beeping. Oh. It's going again. I think that one's mine. Right there. Okay, got my luggage. Grandma's got hers, and now we gotta go get the rental car. I don't know what that is, but that looks really cool. Look at Grandma. Rental cars we come. Grandma got the key. And now we go to the car. Got our little car. So cute. Our first stop now is Walmart to get some snacks and whatnot that we need. And then we have a long drive ahead of us. All the way to Montana. Guys, you would be so shocked that our Walmart looks just like any other Walmart. Looks exactly like ours. Literally. Everything is pretty much the same. A bunch of green trees that we never have in California. And we have the little thing that shows us the thing. It's connected to my phone, but we have 129 miles. It's gonna take us 2 hours, 24 minutes, what? And it says we'll be there at 5:25, and right now it's 2:01. Yeah. But Montana it's 1 hour ahead from like California time. I don't know exactly what that would be, but yeah. It's 1 hour, it's an hour ahead from our normal time. But right now, because we're still in Washington is the same. We drive through the tail of Utah, or whatever it's called, the little like long stick part, basically. We drive completely through that. Idaho. Oh my gosh. We drive through the like stick part of Idaho, completely through it to get to where we are going in Montana. But it's definitely a lot greener than I'm used to. There's a Harley Davidson. Literally rolled there. Oh, whoa! Just look for the big old orange building. That's Harley Davidson. That's cool. There's a state line. We're about to be in Idaho. Welcome to Idaho. Oh, it is. Right there. We started in California, then we went to Arizona, then we went to Nevada, Washington, now we're in Idaho, and then we'll end in Montana. That's 6 states in one day. Holy moly. I can't get over the trees and all over that hill, but I just imagine like there's probably bears living in there or something. I got grapes, but I got really good grapes. So let's give you some ASMR. They're so crunchy. And we drove by a Denny's that literally looked like an old-fashioned diner, and I wasn't recording. So, that sky actually looks really nice. We're about to go over like a bridge or something, basically. Look at the map. going fast for a tractor. Usually they're like 5 miles an hour. Look at a tractor on the road. Yeah, we're definitely not at home. Well, I look crazy, but I fell asleep. But we are in Montana now. Yep. I missed when we crossed the state line, but I'm gonna show you guys. Look at what's next to me. There's someone in the water. There's someone right there fishing.
Oh, they're paddling.
What the heck? You can see them. I want this. Oh, there you go. We're 5 minutes away from our destination. It literally says. You can see the river, but I'm not going over there. So, obviously we made it. This is what my background looks like. And hopefully these people that are in their houses aren't staring at me. But we made it. I didn't say why we were out here. So we're out in Montana for a wedding. I'll give you guys a tour of our little room. But we're hanging out with my grandma's sister. She's only lives in Montana. But, well, the wedding is in Montana. But my grandma's sister also lives in Montana. So right now we're at her house hanging out. And I wanted to go see the river. Which the river is literally behind those trees that I just showed you. But I think it's someone's house. So obviously, I don't want to go into someone's property.
Not you.
Oh my goodness, she's so much. We get McDonald's and there's a sheriff in front of us. That's crazy. It's like rainbowy. Okay, we are back in our little room. There's our car. It's kind of hard to record out here because it's just trees when we go and do stuff. But we did drive by the river. But I can give you guys a quick little room tour except grandma's in the bathroom. So I'll just show you guys. The AC vent is really loud, but here's the door. And then we have our little couch, a TV, a little tiny kitchen, but it's like perfect for TV. Well, a little table, which that chair needs to go there. I think I said the TV already. 2 windows, plus the window on the door, plus the window in the bedroom. And the bathroom, toilet, shower, sink, mirror. Also, this mirror, well, it's like a medicine cabinet, but like, oh, excuse me, I burped. You can't see me, but you can see the window. And it's 10 o'clock, 10 p.m.